Today we are repairing a Fluke 15B multimeter. The fault is due to powering it with a 9-volt battery, causing it not to power on. Let's disassemble it and take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the motherboard. We can see that the reverse polarity protection diode is burnt, and the 2 battery springs are all broken and need to be replaced. Let's get started. Okay, let's test the power on current. As we can see, the power on current is very high and there is no display at all, which means the main chip is damaged and we need to replace it. Let's continue with the repair. Okay, the main chip has been replaced. Let's start testing it now. The multimeter can now power on normally. Let's test a resistor to check the function. The reading is 0.999 ohms. The function is working properly. Let's take a look at the DC voltage. The default reading is 0.000, indicating it working properly. The multimeter has been successfully repaired. Thank you for watching.